Alright guys, Chuckpopovich here with Chris Play at Bricks That Clicks.
Trying not to freeze.
It's a little chilly today, hence the hat and stuff. So pretty exciting stuff, customer returns pallet. As you can see, which I'm pretty excited for, I think it's all brand new. I really do. So we paid $345 per toy pallet of customer returns, which is about a third, sometimes half of what you would normally pay for overstock or grade A new items. But I'm excited to get into this because I don't see a used item on this bad boy.
No, probably the closest thing is this Fortnite Nerf gun. It was always
You wanted it to be anyway.
I just want to test it out, make sure everything works. Last thing I want is people to get a Nerf gun that doesn't function. It's really not about you, it's about me.
At the end of the day, absolutely. Absolutely. So these cars, we actually sell them online, usually for $64.99. We sell a lot of them overseas. A lot of international buyers snatch that stuff up, so they can't get it anywhere else.
Yeah, we just have to test them, make sure the lights work, make sure the radio turns on. And of course, people want to use excessive amounts of tape. It's not like you shrink wrap a whole pallet or anything.
I don't know why they use
It's not
tape.
like that's why they invented shrink wrap.
I mean, look at this tape. There's so much freaking tape on this damn pallet. Why do they waste the tape? And then they damage the packaging to the merchandise.
Something we'll have to test. Dancing pad there. It's got a return receipt on it. Turn on, make sure it works. Most of the time people just don't want to replace batteries and they'll return that stuff.
Alright. Some cars. Pretty cool stuff. So we got these bad boys. These are not remote control, but they are Bluetooth, and then we just have to put some batteries in it. Let's see if they work.
Nerf is open, so lucky me, that is something I'm going to set aside and test out.
He hopes they're open. every time.
I really do hope they're open every time. We still make good money when we sell them. We sell them in pairs. Are you gonna do the like us, subscribe,
Oh,
yada yada yada?
yeah. I'm just, it's not within my,
You're not awake yet?
nah, what's that called, repeat.
I don't know.
It's not within my,
I can't read your mind.
consistency of doing the videos with it. So like, subscribe, follow, turn on notifications, etc., etc. So just a little bit of squish packaging on it, but $100 in this, and especially with Christmas coming up, I think these are gonna move pretty quick.
Yeah, we already got 3 of those on one of the last videos. If you
Yeah.
haven't watched it, check it out.
So there's $100, and it may go up.
These are the new VTECs. We'll have to check these out, but we should be able to send all of these to Amazon. Some extra tape on it, we'll just have to take it off, remove the stickers, but these look good, like we'll be able to send them without a problem.
Yeah, this will be a super quick pallet.
Yeah, yeah.
Melissa and Doug missing. What's the paint?
Fire
So
auction.
we're just tossing an auction. Only missing 2 things. It's the wooden magnets. That's everything else is there. I got tons of these. I think they're all the same.
Well, mine are different than that.
No, well, that's even better that they're different.
Alright. Variety stuff.
A variety.
Last thing you want to do is send more than
Yeah, you gotta
4
be
or
careful.
5 at a time.
Unless it's a quick selling item, you don't want to get stuck on that stuff to where you're paying a piece for it. Another Melissa and Doug tabletop easel. That one's brand new. Original price on them, $35. And we got more VTEC.
Another RC mech unit. Unfortunately, tons of extra fucking tape on it. So we'll have to do more work to get it cleaned up, make it presentable, so we can send it. Or we're not selling a customer product covered in tape, but yeah, brand new. 2 different colors. We've had gray and black, so Very nice, still the same price. Haven't noticed a difference yet, have we? Like you get one or the other one.
Nah. Haven't noticed anything.
So another $100.
Another VTech. This is a really good pallet. Another VTech. And these have original prices of $40 on them. If you can't get them in store anymore, they're gonna be worth more.
Little Tikes tore up, but I mean, it looks like all the pieces are still sealed in there, all the accessories. So that's nice. We'll just tape the box up a little bit, make it look presentable, get it listed on eBay.
Another one of these beasts. Another $100. Oh, look at these.
Brand new leapfrogs.
Safari Learning. It's new, just ripped. I should be able to fix that. A little bit of tape. Be right back in business.
Got original tags on them, $50, brand new.
Man, hopefully it's one of those and it's already in a box.
Oh, this one has been opened. Or is it just put in there wrong? Yeah. It's upside down. I'll take it out and test it. Make sure everything's okay.
Yeah, it looks like they just took it out and then slid it back in the wrong way.
Is the battery? Oh,
Look, that's still attached inside.
yeah, the battery pack's still in there.
So that'll be a quick fix and have a brand new piece.
One loot left. Alright.
Give me the loot, give me the loot.
We have, yes, one brand new in the box. So this one would be nice because I can just ship it.
The mech unit?
Yeah.
It's got its own box?
Has its own box.
Ah, that would be nice.
So we got $500 just in mech units.
Well, that just pretty much paid for that
Paid
pallet.
for the whole pallet.
And we got a furniture set. Melissa and Doug.
And then this was an online item only. And I don't even know, $80.
Yeah, usually.
Those wooden sets are pretty nice.
Is that original tape on it?
9.
No.
That's new.
Yeah, still looks new.
Yeah.
Nice.
So this is new inside. So as another quick pallet, we're just flying through the pallets quick. This is a really nice shipment. $500 in mech units.
Yeah.
Probably 130 in our generation cars. $100 in leapfrog, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, almost $400 in VTech, and then the other stuff's probably another $100. So that is, I would say, a home run pallet.
Yeah.
And to show you guys this, pretty cool. So pallet empty, obviously you guys can see that, and then some pretty cool stuff on there. Got your mech units, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, Melissa and Doug, easel, the cars, VTech, all that stuff. So that's a win. And we still have a lot of other pallets to work.
Yeah. We should be crushing this shipment by now. How much did we? I know you said $345 per pallet. How much have we had total into it?
Probably close to $4,000.
God, and we probably have already
Yeah, I would say, you know, anything we're unpacking now is probably
profit.
just profit for us. So overall, that's a way to start the morning off right there.
Right. Yeah.
Yeah. So big win. This will only take freaking, 'cause most of this is gonna go right to Amazon.
Yeah.
This isn't gonna take long to break down work, get pictures, move it. We'll get the next pallet going, and guys check out the next video because that was a big win, and that was customer returns.
Yeah. Customer returns does not always mean
Nope.
customer returns.
It's you get it cheaper and it's more profitable.
Yep. Yep.
So make sure to like, subscribe, follow, turn on notifications,
Stay classy.
and stay classy.